Welcome! Today we'd like to offer a brief presentation regarding the use and implication of understanding personality in the health and fitness professions. Afterward, we're available to discuss what you've learned, how to apply this knowledge, and answer questions you may have. What is personality? It is the innate set of characteristics that make us all unique. Because we are born with our personality, it determines how we think, feel, and behave. Core characteristics of personality change very little, and superficial components of our personality are developed through personal growth and experiences. Before we serve others, we must first take care of ourselves. Having a keen sense of self-awareness and understanding the dynamics of our personality is critical to proper program design and delivery. By working to understand the personality of others and develop meaningful relationships, we can create health and fitness programming that meets the needs of a diverse population. Participants are more likely to stick with their programming when they feel heard and understood. In the health and fitness arena, each professional partners with individuals to support and optimize their health and well-being. We've listed the three most common types of personalities that we've encountered in our profession: the overachiever, the client who always has to go above and beyond, the chronic complainer, the client who always finds a reason why they can't perform, and the depender, the client who needs you to help them every step of the way. Each of these types of personalities responds and thrives with a specific type of delivery. By knowing our personal strengths and limitations, we can accommodate even the most difficult persona by respectfully working to see them for who they are and how they perform. When using personality inventories to assess yourself or others, it is critical that you stay within the scope of practice. These assessments are not a means of diagnosis. Should red flags come up as a result of taking one of these assessments, an individual needs to seek help from a psychologist, medical professional, or other qualified professional. Personality is only one piece of the puzzle, and ultimately must be intrinsically explored by the individual as they work to better understand their core characteristics and how such characteristics support their well-being.